Today, I am reviewing the EMF Meter Model TF2. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing that stands out is that this is not a toy. The build quality feels solid and purposeful. It is designed and manufactured in the United States by Alpha Lab, and that engineering background shows in the practical layout and straightforward controls. There is no unnecessary complexity. You turn the dial, select the field type you want to measure, and the readings respond instantly. That responsiveness is important, because electromagnetic fields fluctuate rapidly, especially radio frequency signals from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile devices. One of the most impressive aspects of the TF2 is that it measures three major categories of EMF in one handheld device: magnetic fields, electric fields, and radio frequency fields from 20 MHz to 6 GHz. That range covers the vast majority of modern wireless technologies, including 4G and most 5G cellular signals, Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, smart meters, and even microwave ovens. It does not measure radioactivity, and that distinction matters. This is strictly an EMF meter, not a Geiger counter. For anyone serious about measurement, that clarity is important. In practical use, the 3-axis magnetic field sensor is a major strength. Many cheaper meters measure magnetic fields along only one axis, meaning you have to rotate the device around to try to capture the highest reading. The TF2's 3-axis system captures magnetic fields more comprehensively, without constant repositioning. When I tested it near power strips, breaker panels, and running appliances, the readings responded clearly and predictably. It becomes easy to identify hotspots and understand how distance reduces exposure. The electric field mode is single-axis, but it offers both standard and weighted frequency responses. The weighted mode emphasizes frequencies that are believed to have stronger biological effects. Whether someone is deeply concerned about health implications or simply wants objective measurements, having both options allows more nuanced testing. For example, measuring near a laptop charger or extension cord reveals noticeable electric field strength that drops significantly just by increasing distance. This makes the meter practical for adjusting workspace setups. Where the TF2 really distinguishes itself is in radio frequency measurement. RF signals are fast and dynamic, and many meters average readings too heavily, smoothing out peaks and giving you a slower, less complete picture. The TF2 updates bar graphs instantly for fast digital signals and refreshes RF averages 4 times per second. In real testing near a Wi-Fi router and during a phone call, you can see spikes appear immediately as data transmits. This fast response makes it much easier to identify when a device is actively transmitting versus idle. Another useful detail is that the RF readings are unweighted, providing raw measurement data. This transparency is important because it allows you to interpret the numbers based on your own standards or guidelines rather than relying on hidden filtering. When testing near a 5G-enabled smartphone, the meter reacts quickly as the phone negotiates signal strength with the tower. You can physically move the phone and watch how orientation and distance affect the readings. That kind of feedback makes the TF2 a powerful educational tool as much as a measurement device. The display is clear and readable, combining numeric values with bar graph visualization. The bar graph is particularly helpful for seeing fluctuations in real time, while the numeric display provides precise data. This combination prevents the common problem of staring at numbers that jump too quickly to interpret. The TF2 strikes a good balance between visual simplicity and technical accuracy. It is also worth mentioning the included support. The manufacturer offers free, unlimited consulting in the United States to help users interpret readings and solve EMF-related concerns. That level of support is rare. Many competing products offer little to no assistance beyond a short manual. Here, you get a detailed instruction manual, a quick start card, a 9-volt battery, and a protective softshell case. The packaging and documentation reinforce the sense that this is a professional-grade instrument rather than a novelty item. No device is perfect. The TF2 does not detect experimental millimeter wave 5G bands, which operate at much higher frequencies. However, those deployments are still limited in many areas. For most users measuring home or office environments, the supported frequency range covers the relevant sources. The single-axis electric and RF measurement means you may need to adjust positioning slightly for the most accurate readings, but this is standard practice for handheld meters.